Hi friends, welcome back with another video about most important general knowledge and current affair MCQs part 2. I hope you will like my little effort and will not forget to like and subscribe this channel. So here is question number 1. The headquarters of Apple known as Apple Park is located in, and in the options we have New York, Washington, California, Toronto. And among the given options, the right one is option C. Apple Park is the corporate headquarters of Apple Inc., located at 1 Apple Park Way in Cupertino, California, United States. Question number 2. Which country is currently the largest producer of palm oil? And in the options we have Turkey, Nigeria, Malaysia, Indonesia. And the right answer of this question is option D. Indonesia is the largest producer of palm oil, followed by Malaysia. Both countries account for 84% of the world's palm production. Question number 3. The FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in, and in the options we have Argentina, Germany, Qatar, Russia. And the right one is option C. FIFA World Cup 2022 is scheduled to take place in Qatar from 21st November to 18 December 2022. This will be the first World Cup ever to be held in the Arab world. Question number 4. The 2020 Nobel Prize in Literature was won by, and in the options we have Alice Munro, Lois Gluck, Bob Dylan, Peter Hendig. And among the given options, the right one is option B. The Nobel Prize in Literature 2020 was awarded to Lois Gluck for her unmistakable poetic voice that with austere beauty makes individual existence universal. Question number 5. In which country the military took over the charge and imposed emergency on 1st Feb 2021? And in the options we have Nigeria, Pakistan, Myanmar, Sudan. And the right one is option C. A coup d'etat in Myanmar began on the morning of 1st Feb 2021 when democratically elected members of the country's ruling party, the National League for Democracy (NLD), were deposed by the Tatmadaw Myanmar's military, which then vested power in statocracy. Question number 6. Which country has the largest reserves of oil? And in the options we have United States, China, Russia, Venezuela. And the right answer of this question is option D. Venezuela is the leading country in terms of oil reserves, with over 304 billion barrels of oil beneath its surface. Saudi Arabia is a close second with 298 billion, and Canada is third with 170 billion barrels of oil reserves. Question number 7. In which country it is mandatory for all male citizens aged between 18 to 27 to serve 1 year in armed forces? And in the options we have America, Canada, Russia, Israel. And among the given options, the right one is option C. In Russia, all males are liable for 1 year of compulsory military service up to the age of 27. Question number 8. Which from the following country is not the member of BRICS? And in the options we have United States, Russia, China, India. And the right answer of this question is option A, United States. BRICS is the acronym coined to associate 5 major emerging economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The BRICS members are known for their significant influence on regional affairs. Question number 9. The headquarters of Human Rights Watch is located in, and in the options we have Washington, New York, Berlin, Brussels. And the right answer of this question is option B, New York. Human Rights Watch is an international non-governmental organization headquartered in New York City that conducts research and advocacy on human rights. The group pressures governments, policymakers, companies, and individual human rights abusers to denounce abuse and respect human rights. And the group often works on behalf of refugees, children, migrants, and political prisoners. Question number 10. Which country has the largest reserves of gas? And in the options we have Saudi Arabia, Iran, Russia, Qatar. And the right answer of this question is option C, Russia. So that's all for today. Till next video, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.